This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is June 28th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go fix a toilet. Lady says the toilet's got issues and says all the guts need to be changed on the inside. I don't know about that. We'll have to go by and take a look at it. Make a decision when I get there what to do. If it's really bad, a lot of times I'll just change the whole toilet. Well, we'll have to see. Try to get you some shots when I get there. Take the stuff off and see what's going on in there. Looks like it's a cola. Looks like it needs a new handle for sure. Let's see what the flapper looks like. Probably a flapper on a. That's all it needs. Flap on the handle. What's happening is the chain's going under the flapper. The chain's going under the flapper there. I don't know if you can see it, it's too dark, but the chain's, when it goes down, the chain goes under the flapper because the way the handle is, see it? Fix that. Have what I need in the truck for this. You can see how the handle's going down and that chain's getting under that flapper. I'm gonna fix that. You know, it would stop with the top, but still too much slack. So I'm gonna change the handle. You won't take that flapper out, either clean it or replace it. Yeah, it's kind of getting low. Yeah, we'll put another one on there, see though. Oh, good. Now this is a back left-hand thread. You have to turn it the other way. Bugger. Might have to grind it off. Ain't good. Yeah, we'll say that grinder's the best tool I have. I will say that. That's the truth. I could probably grab it here and grab it there. 2 pliers, get it out. That's the back left-hand thread. You gotta go the opposite way as a regular thread. You can tell I was here before. That rubber washes on there. I did that.
hole's sloppy, you put this washer on there, it'll take up the, there's a big void there. So we'll use this washer again. It'll take up the void. See, that's a left-hand thread, so you gotta go the opposite way. I don't like these blue flappers, they're good. Just set this to where we want it. This is supposed to be going inside, not outside. I don't know why they got it out there. It's supposed to be going inside, like that. You put it on the outside, it's not gonna, the water level on the toilet will be too low. See any leaks, see it dripping. Alright, so that's good. It uses a lot of water to flush with, that's for sure. Yeehaw! That's a lot of water, guy. That's it. That's a cola. It's got the 3 bolts in the tank. That's an old cola. That's when cola was good.